So guys, everyone using for Twitter and LinkedIn option. So in this I'm discuss about that how we can increasing for LinkedIn company page followers by using for Twitter post option. So this I'm creating for my Twitter or LinkedIn page or LinkedIn profile option. So everyone know about that. We can share any content LinkedIn to Twitter option by connecting for your pages. My question is called how can increase for LinkedIn company page followers by using for Twitter post content. Twitter do they come into the particular LinkedIn company page follows increase purpose. First of all, in this one, just I'm selecting one content in my website. So any people will be know more content purpose. Select here option, copy the URL first, paste it. When using for your particular option will be here. The link will be shown to customers in this option. Now we can use the content will be here. And click for post. First of all, I can done my content will be where in the particular page option. Here we can share will be here. Copy link to post. Go to option will be here. Anyone plus Twitter. Select it. Now post it in this option. Image will be displayed properly. Image will be in can't display. We have to check for cross check and upload by image. Don't exceed hashtag more than 30 hashtag will be used. Don't exceed by more than 30 hashtags. So what are the space you give by here? In this option, click for post. That time is selecting for anyone plus Twitter option. Post it. Now the post will done now option. So where I'm post done will be, I can done my post will be where in the particular LinkedIn and particular Twitter also. Now coming to the post, now will be share your option in this. Just here will be sharing for LinkedIn post. Just 2 seconds back. Now refresh. The email will be sharing for small option. Just click for link. They go to where on the particular LinkedIn profile option. Here too, the people coming to where in the particular LinkedIn company page also. The people will be follow your particular company page also. We can share it for video, views purpose, and increasing for your particular LinkedIn connection and company page followers purpose. These are the benefit we will be using for particular Twitter option. Any posting content, first of all, we can posting for LinkedIn company page. After posting for LinkedIn profile option, the benefit of three benefits: the increasing Twitter followers, LinkedIn profile connections, and the LinkedIn company page followers will be increased. The concept will be increased and optimized by the traffic of particular LinkedIn company page option. So here, lot of options are there. That all option will be used in the particular things. So what are the content you can sharing? That most of the content you can sharing by LinkedIn company page option. Don't direct posting for in your LinkedIn profile option. That is no use. First of all, your brand value is more important to increase the traffic also. So what are the content you can sharing for your websites are that all will be showing to the particular option. So link sometimes is not accepted. That time no worry about that. Just what are the image will be there. We have to save this image in this. Just upload image here. Select your position. Done. And click for post option. Post will be done. Copy link to post. This I'm done by along with image. So your benefit is called sometime along with posting for website link, the image will showing for small thumbnail option. When you're posting for by image option, the image will be showing for large image option where the LinkedIn and particular Twitter also in this selecting for anyone plus Twitter. So what are the hashtag will be used? Use the particular hashtag. Once link will be submit, does not change. The post will be anyone plus Twitter. This is the one of the benefit for to increase the company page followers and Twitter followers and increase the LinkedIn profile connections. Use this post and to increase by the particular follow option. The compulsory instruction we can follow to increase the particular post content option. If you maintain Twitter and LinkedIn option, please post content by LinkedIn company page to share by profile and the Twitter wall. In this, finally, we have to refresh this option. The show content will be with a large image. Click, come into profile, increase the LinkedIn company page followers. Follow this position, increase your followers by the particular 3 this option. Twitter followers, LinkedIn company page connections, LinkedIn company page followers, LinkedIn profile connections. This is compulsory will be needed. If anyone not connecting for LinkedIn and Twitter, please contact me in my YouTube channel, The Digital Rakesh. I'll explain each and everything on the particular post option.